What's up, guys? I am in the middle of watching a video tutorial for some rock blocks mud flaps for this thing. So I'm almost done. This is super easy to do if you were curious and or wanted to do it yourself. It's all using the stock holes and stuff. I didn't have to drill or nothing. I've probably been doing this for like 20 minutes so far.
What's the recap on the Subaru situation? I'm scared to go over there and ask.
My recap of the Subaru situation? Okay, so I haven't been peeking on it too much. Okay, so I think it was Monday. Monday they get here, it was out back. I'm like, what the f is that, AJ? And then he's like, oh, it's my cousin's, blah, blah, blah. So it pulls it in. Him and Ryan Bell start taking the motor out. They get it out in 40 minutes. Motor's out. Well, it's ready to be pulled because they didn't have an engine hoist here. Okay, Tuesday comes around, I'm not here, but I think they get the engine hoist, they pull the engine. And then I think they put the engine in and don't finish. Wednesday comes around, I think they come here, they finish, and it was like almost 11 o'clock last night. We get a video of them starting up that new fucking motor. And it runs good for about 10 seconds, and then it just starts knocking again immediately. So,
oh, pull the video up on your phone.
Yeah.
We'll show the video so we don't have to deal with Rakesh like inserting the iPhone clip.
All right, here it is. Ryan Bell filming, AJ starting it.
Here, you gotta skip to the actual. Oh, right there.
Yeah, buddy.
What a coincidence.
Sounds good, right? That was Ryan Bell's reaction.
So bad.
So Thursday, today, I get here and I pull around back and I see Ryan Bell and AJ with the hood open. It's out back and they're like taking the engine out again, and it was like pretty much ready to be pulled out again, but it looked like they had the intake off of it and all this shit. So
is it
like,
now just coming out, or is that
I
a
think
new one going in, a third one?
No, this is the replacement coming out. So yeah, not good. I guess he was saying to the owner that they should just give the car to AJ or some shit.
He was gonna buy the carcass for $500.
Yeah, there ain't much left for it, unfortunately.
Nope.
I think that's the full my
Up to
POV
this point,
recap of that fucking fiasco.
At this moment, they are still pulling it.
That's day 4 on that thing.
Horrible.
Yeah. Unfortunately. Subarus, turbo Subarus, huh?
Look at these front ones.
They're pretty good. I got the all black. They have all different colors, and you can get a different colored logo too. But I was like, nah, black.
Yeah, these are I like how they're like super subtle.
Yeah.
Like you would think that those are not even aftermarket. Like just quick glancing at it.
The stock ones are like, you know how like the stock, it like comes out like this, and it's like kind of like bigger, it's thicker
to the chassis a little bit.
Kinda, yeah. And it says Ford on it. I didn't like that. These are like rally armors pretty much. They make I guess these are really good competitors for rally armors. Like they make them for Subarus and shit. Focus STs and all that shit.
Or you just did that side only?
Yeah, I just had one corner left.
Oh, you got this front one on here.
Yeah. I feel like it definitely needed these.
Was it just like spraying water when it rains?
No, it just looks weird without them.
Oh, yeah, I agree.
I think I've driven this in the rain like twice now. We're in a drought currently.
Oh yeah, you know how I deleted the basket and the light bars on the RAV? It's literally a night and day difference.
Really?
Believe it or not, yes. Like aerodynamic, like rice, like really does boof you. I don't know how else to explain it.
Yeah. Oh, it makes sense.
Now I can actually do 80, 85 and not
sick.
like have to fully mat it to like fight the wind.
Oh, that's a good thing. Oh yeah, I need...
Here, we'll do a health checkup on Jazzy's car. See what's going on over here. Still looking the same. Oh, no. He said he put a new steering hub in it. Oh, yep. Short hub, because the wheel sat like way too far out or some shit. So boom, now it's nice and flat.
Whoever makes that seat bracket fucking sucks, man.
Is it DNA motoring? Is it eBay as fuck?
I don't know. I think it is eBay, but fuck, that thing's on the lowest setting and my head's almost hitting the ceiling in that thing. Either that or it's the seat itself. I don't know.
Could be the seat.
Yeah, that's a weird looking Sparko. It's like a bucket, but it's like...
I thought that's out of a drag build.
Yeah, it is.
That's probably why.
It's really... Have you sat in it?
No.
It's so tight, like especially on your upper back here, like pinches you.
Oh, that's
like,
good then.
It feels like
I mean...
you're like getting pushed forward. It was a little tight.
Oh.
If I was any bigger, I wouldn't be fitting in that thing.
I probably can't fit in it. I'm bigger than you.
Yeah,
if it's tight on
yeah. Your back is gonna be feeling it.
All right, I'm gonna make the brave trek inside, and yeah, I'm scared to start shoving the camera in everyone's face over here. Tensions are high.
Where's the key?
Oh shit, this is out already?
What?
Jeez, dude.
We pretty much pulled it in the parking lot and then just drove it in here, did the bottom bell housing bolts and the exhaust, and then pulled it out. But yeah.
I can't believe it fucking
Yeah, we're not
knocked.
talking. The motor was just an unlucky motor.
Was it, did they claim it was remand? Or...
Yeah, they remanded it.
Oh, okay.
Apparently.
All right, well, yep, unlucky. Very unlucky. What's the plan now? Is this heading to the scrapyard? Are you inheriting this pile?
No, they're getting another fucking motor.
Are you serious? From a different place? Well, I guess that's dedication to the chassis. I don't know if that's necessarily a good thing. You saw that? There's like something on the tire that was whipping around. It's like a vacuum line.
No, is it like in the wheel? Did the rim run it over and it's now punctured the tire?
I don't know, man.
Jeez.
Does it look like it's getting lower?
I don't know. We'll figure that out when we get to it.
Why does it look like it's losing it?
Oh no, he's got the delirious laugh going already.
Well, did you listen to the...
Yeah, I saw the video, dude.
We'll just play it on here.
Here, we'll get AJ's take on this
That
now.
was a golden moment.
It was
Skip to the startup,
It sucks,
though.
but it was just hilarious.
You gotta skip to the startup. It's like
No,
12 seconds.
We gotta hear Ryan Bell.
No fuel leaks. Yeah, buddy.
Oh, he's juiced.
Oh.
Yeah.
Good thing you have it on video, though, so at least you can show
like,
the...
It fucking ran fine for 5 seconds, and then it was not about it.
Jeez, well,
It is what it is. Kyle, you want to fucking drive my car in? What the fuck?
tragic tale. I don't know what the fuck's going on around here nowadays.
Do I want to drive your car in?
Yeah.
Is it because you're dirty?
Yeah.
Sure.
Careful, you might pop an axle pulling in.
Yeah, it's got no power steering either. I pulled it out. Fucking thing's a fucking pile, dude.
Oh no!
I don't even need to go to the gym, my scrawny ass. I just got a fucking full workout trying to fucking
Move
yeet that
his
thing.
E30.
Yeah.
Well, good thing he's got it posted for 17 G's.
Jesus Christ.
And some fucking dweeb is gonna buy it for like a 5-digit price.
Yeah.
It might not be 17, but it'll be in the 5-digit like price range for sure.
I would say. With tax.
Yeah,
and
that's
all that
and I mean it's like not like a fucking collector showroom level restoration, but it's pretty fucking clean.
Yeah, it's definitely clean. Cleaner than what you'd expect in New England.
Yeah, right. You'd think an E30 would be completely rotted
Yeah.
out here by now.
And most of them are.
Yeah, like the back, the trunk area gone.
Yeah.
Wheel well starting to rot. All right, so we got like a straight pile of dead Subaru motors spooling up out here.
Probably get third one. Probably already has pre-rod knots already, so we might add to this pile a third one. Maybe mine will blow up. We'll add a fourth.
Oh, don't jinx yourself. He's putting mud flaps on. Don't jinx yourself like that, man. Smells nice and fucking toasty over here.
It's like snap rods.
Mm-hmm.
You see the hole in this thing?
Yeah, I saw the hole. It's definitely a nice fucking looking hole.
Nice little window.
Yeah.
Pretty good, dude.
I mean, I wouldn't call this pretty good, but the fact that you're like committed to this job, dude.
I'm like real happy about it.
Yeah, third engine going.
This one just didn't want it.
Yeah, but it's a fucking reman. That thing should have been good for at least 100K.
Yeah, I don't quite know what happened there.
Like, you think they're just shimmed one of the bearings like super wrong?
Maybe it sat on the shelf for too. I really don't know.
I don't know either. I'm just theorizing how you get rod knock after fucking
Plus,
10 seconds with a brand new
they're
motor.
busy people. Like they might have been working on it, walked away.
Oh,
came
true.
Back, you know what I mean?
Or that one guy was working on it, had to bounce, another kid fucking comes in, starts zipping it back together. Now they got 9 different dudes that assembled the one motor.
Maybe
No one
some
knows
dude
what's
quit,
torqued.
like halfway through or something. You know, like literally quit the job halfway through or something, and then like someone finished it thinking he did. I don't know.
What's the ETA on a fucking new engine?
4 days.
Is it coming from a... Where's it coming from? At the same place?
Pennsylvania.
Is it an importer or is it
No.
just some fucking junkyard?
Some junkyard.
Oh.
But I'm going to Disney in 4 days, so
Uh-oh. So you're telling me this thing's gonna be sitting out here
I'm going
for...
to Disney in 4 business days. And 4 business days is when they're gonna bring it here.
So are you gonna have to polish Ryan Bell to finish your customer job?
It could sit right there for fucking a year. I don't care.
As long as they're prepared.
I might wrench on it lazily. We'll see. Or maybe not.
Oh, Kyle's getting in over
It'll
here.
be a lot easier because it's a full fucking motor.
Oh yeah, that's good. That's good.
What the fuck
Dude, it literally farted out the intake. You heard that? Dude, he spun your motor backwards, AJ. Like Damien's 240. This shit was backwards.
That sound good.
No, it didn't, but big runs in. Sounds great. It's that eBay clutch fucking delamming.
I don't like the sound of that. It catches so high.
It's like, oh my god.
Hey, okay, a little more.
I thought he was about to tell you to pull up a little bit more.
Oh, it's going on the list.
Fucking butcher on the sticks, dude.
No, I'm a butcher on the sticks.
Best thing? Oh man.
Rear mounted BMW E30 Subaru engine. Pop the trunk.
Bad idea.
Dude,
It's gonna
Kyle
pop.
fucking grade your motor.
Yeah.
Chunks of rod all on the floor, man.
Kyle, do you wanna like buy me a new clutch now?
I don't smell any clutch.
A Guibo shop for sure.
That thing is shattering like a. I don't even
That was
know.
like 3 drift events worth of fucking beating on it.
Thing is clacking like it's.
That's just a drive shaft, dude.
That's just the shaft. Is that normal? I don't think so.
You got a little bit of fucking rubber rot, whatever it's called.
Oh,
Drive rot.
fucking. Jeez.
New video teaching Kyle how to drive manual.
Yeah, that'd be good.
I woke up at 5 a.m. today. And it sucked.
For the new job.
Yeah.
I don't think we told anyone that you quit the other one that you were juiced to start. You quit that one. I don't
Yeah,
think
quit it,
anyone
yeah.
knows. So now you're on job 3 at the moment.
Job 3. Nice as fuck. Brand new Kenworth 2023. Automatic. You literally do nothing. Like, you just fucking. It's kind of slow. It's like fast off the line, but 35 plus slow. Like, but 0 to 35 is stupid fast. But the Jakes, you don't even hear the thing running. Like, it's that quiet.
You have to put,
It's got
like, how much
DEF and
DEF
shit.
does it take?
He said it goes to like 20 gallons a week.
I guess that's not
It's
horrible,
like
but
1,500 miles.
that's fucking ganj. But all right, it's annoying at the
I don't
minimum.
have to do it. He does it on a
Oh.
Saturday.
Nice. Well,
Goes through
AJ,
about
dude,
60 gallons of diesel a day. I
with
do
your-
about 300 miles.
your lead foot.
No, I can't go that fast in it. I do like 67 in it.
Is the speedo accurate?
It's fucking brand new.
I don't know, dude. Your other one was pretty
Shit's
fucking
digital,
shot.
dude. Like, you scroll through the. I'll take a video tomorrow of it, like the inside. It's fucking like you're literally sitting in like a fucking Mercedes truck, dude. Like, it's,
Really? Is it that like?
It's
Did he
the
tell? What
screen's
was the
digital.
sticker price on that one?
He didn't tell me the sticker price, but they're going for like 250,
250.
240, 250.
Holy shit, dude! You're driving around a fucking quarter M, dude.
I got a key in my pocket for it.
Oh shit, dude! AJ's fucking big balling, dude.
I'm the only driver too. It's
Oh,
like
yeah.
a recently started company.
Are they paying you more than the other two?
Yeah.
Perfect. Fucking dick ride your way to the top of
Yeah,
that
boys.
company.
If you fucking make shit money, just fucking quit, get a new job. Just keep quitting and getting a new job.
Yeah,
And
but it has to pay at least a few percent more than the last one.
Yeah, you
like a
can't
dollar
leave
more.
for,
Like,
you
don't
can't
go for
leave
less.
lesser. Yeah.
Yeah.
don't go for less or even. Like,
$1 more at the minimum
Dollar
is what you're
more.
recommending.
and do it once a week.
Jesus.
We quit
Your
once a week.
resume is gonna be like a book, dude.
don't
and
need
it's
to
all
add
just
it.
like one-liners of like week.
You don't need to add it.
I think they should know that you can't hold a job.
You can't hold a job. You just find more money.
I'm just
Pay
chasing
more.
that bag, dude.
And then once you're finally like comfortable with that amount, quit 3 more times and keep going.
You're fucking building yourself a bad.
Or you
rap,
show them
dude.
the resume and you're like, listen, dude, I just quit 30 jobs this
Do
month.
you even have a resume?
Yeah, I didn't give it to them.
Jeez.
His
They
only,
needed
he
you.
walks in with a Class A. That's the only
that's a
resume he needs.
Different kind of thing.
Yeah.
Like they're desperate.
Mhm.
It's a certification-based thing. You waive it, you're hired.
Yes, sir.
Well, I'm happy that it's working out for
happy
you.
For AJ.
Yeah, it's nice.
Truck driver.
Truck driver and Subaru engine killer on the side, dude. Not
Side job engine, Subaru engine puller, and replacer and puller.
Yeah, hopefully this next one's just good. But
Yeah.
it probably won't be.
Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you fucking love Subarus, dislike this video, and check out the fucking t-shirts in the description, you scrans, all right? And check out the Facebook, check out the YouTube. I don't give a fuck, all right? Hang on, wait for it. Peace the fuck out.